Welcome to Hard Rock Hollywood. And this is a platinum suite on a cigar smoking floor. And you will notice that because there is an ashtray in the room. So once again, this is a platinum suite, and from what I can see, it is a handicap accessible suite, but there is not a lot that would give that away. This is the refrigerator area at the entrance, and they gave a lot of bottles of water. And look how lovely this is. The light is amazing. So if I did not say, I will say it again while I'm at Hard Rock Hollywood. This is the guitar tower. And this suite is at the end of a hall and pretty cool. TVs, the furniture, it is immaculate. And for such light colors, it is really, really vibrant and clean. And if you go over to the window, you can see the entire pool area. So it's pretty cool. This is not up super high. This is only on the 10th floor, but you can get a good idea of the pools from here, and it's really, really cool. Lovely, lovely day in South Florida today. And this is just looking at the room area. Really, really functional. Really, really wide, lots of room, lots of square footage and foot space, really nice sort of beachy carpet. And this is the bedroom, absolutely lovely. Once again, another really great TV directly facing the bed. So this is super duper convenient over here. And the bed is great. Super, lots and lots of lights. Once again, this is in the guitar tower, which is super cool. Just trying to envision exactly where I am in that guitar. And the bathroom is humongous. There is a dressing area here. The safe is in this drawer. And then you can see this whole bathroom area. Really, really nice. Absolutely lovely. So there's a super big tub. Once again, the footprint is amazing. It is of note that they have little tiny toiletries, and you can just see how bright this place is. It's absolutely, the sun just absolutely shines in. Super positive, beautiful, lovely lights and lamps. And what's interesting, I mentioned that this was an accessible. You'll notice the toilet room is supersized and it has another bathtub. So my guess is that this bathtub is considered the accessible bathtub, whereas this bathtub is the sort of pretty one that they regularly put in the room but is not accessible. So that's sort of a nifty way to do it in the room, that they basically put both bathtubs in. So I think that's sort of neat. And that's it. It's a platinum, once again, a platinum suite at Hard Rock Hollywood. Look at those. Look at the sky and look at that. Really beautiful. All the light switches are here for nightlight and things like that. So I would say this is a fabulous room. Really great. Views are great. Super clean. Looks really, really comfortable, and really, really looking forward to my stay. And I will leave you once again with that beautiful view of all of the Hard Rock pools and pool complexes, which are really lovely. Thanks for watching.